Hi, welcome to the Mammoth Tech Show. I'm Jeff, and whether you use a DJI Osmo or the original Osmo Mobile, one of the more useful features on it is the accessory mounting point on the handle. Being able to attach a phone to the side of your Osmo is really useful, but the official phone holder accessory is very expensive for what it is. We're going to use these three things here to create an Osmo phone holder that's much cheaper than the official DJI one. Let's look at that mount point again. This is what's known as a rosette mount, and so standard tripod mounts aren't really suitable. This little fella here is the key to our endeavour. It's a rosette to standard quarter 20 adapter. Here we have the business end that will attach to the Osmo, and on the other we have a female quarter 20 socket. Then, with the help of a quarter 20 male-to-male adapter, we now have something that we can attach to our phone holder. And here we have it in all its glory. One thing to bear in mind though is that you need a phone holder that can change the orientation of the phone, otherwise your phone will be stuck in portrait mode. So, while this may not be quite as attractive as the official DJI model, this will get the job done and at a fraction of the cost. If you have your own alternatives or possible improvements, please let us know in the comments. If you found this useful, please give this video a like, and if you'd like to see more technology tips and reviews from us in the future, why not subscribe? I've been Jeff, this has been a Mammoth Tech Show, and you've been very kind to watch. Thank you very much.
Oh.